This is the short tutorial for my wonderful Galactic Empire. What you can do on this page, very easy. If you start, you can choose the game itself. So if you want to have it with 2 players, then here the 4 players again. So there's no bot game currently, so that you have to motivate another player if you want to try it out. And this is the help button. This is the video which you are currently seeing. So I choose a 2-player game. And first of all, you have to choose a name here. Let's say just one. And what you can see here is then a list of available games for 2 players. So this is written here, maximum players 2, 2, and 2. And this is a game ID, and you can choose whatever game you would like. And then you have to choose a color. So you can just choose one of these colors. I will take blue. And this is represented here. So this player is now waiting for the game to start. So another player has to join the lobby and the game. Now I simulate the other player. Just another tab. Started this again. Let's say this is number 2. So only the first 3 characters are used in the game anyhow. And now we see the same list, but this color blue is already taken, so we can't choose that one. And so I choose green, for example. And now the game is started, and the server starting up in the background, and now we are set up into the game. So just very short introduction here. You see this is the turn. This is, of course, the first one. Round 1, the timer is counting down for both players. So if we switch here back to the other player, we see they both have the same indicator here. And here on the top left, there's a reminder that you choose the color green and that your name is 2. And here you are seeing your opponent. And what can you do now? Very easy. As you already know, this is the map. And the goal, of course, is to delete your opponent from the map. So what you can do and what you need to do is to discover all the other planets and conquer them all. To do so, you have just 3 commands which are necessary. The first is to measure the distance between 2 planets. So let's say if we want to measure the distance between planet 2 and 27, we can just type 2, 27. Return, and then the duration is exactly calculated and presented here. We can say 2 to 1023, which is 6. We can say 2 to 6, and so on and so on and so on. And if we want to start a fleet, we can just type 2, the planet we want to go to, 27, and the number of ships we want to send, 1. And if we send, its stated fleet is started, duration is 1, and we see on the top left here that this fleet is already started. Now the timer is going down, and we will be back in turn number 2. And as a result, we see on the beginning of the next round, so which is indicated here, we see that there's a planet on a fight on planet 27 where our 1 ship has been sent to. And this there are 8 ships defending this planet, and our arriving fleet has been deleted. So we need at least more than 8 ships to maybe then we have a chance. You always should attack a planet with more than the defending planets. Okay, that's it so far. So just to get it right again, 3 commands, as I said. The first one is measure the distance, 2 numbers and a comma in between. Sending is a fleet, 2 to 27, comma, I send 100 ships. You will see that here. And now the third command is end my turn. So if I want just to stop that turn for me, I can just click twice on that send button, which indicates that I'm ready for the next round. And this is indicated by that green button here. And the other player, if we switch here back to the other player, of course, he gets the same results, and he also sees in this round that I am already ready for the next round. He can also play and press the send button twice, and then this round ends immediately, and we are on the next round. So we see here the result of the last chip, and we see that player number 2 conquered planet 27 with a production of 4. Right, okay, that's it so far, should be enough.